So my presentation will be on social media in teen relationships. Social media is constantly growing, and with this growth, we use it more in our everyday lives, and it's bound to impact personal relationships. It can have both positive and negative effects. Some of the positives is that it can provide a sense of closeness, both emotionally and physically. It also provides a bit of a buffer. Some things that are hard to say in person or you're too afraid to say in person are way easier just to type out and send online. It's another method of showing off. You can post a picture of the person you're with or a cute caption and everybody says relationship goals and it makes people feel good. Some of the negatives is that too much information is put out. It can be used to make other people jealous, and after some breakups, some people can't let it go and they end up stalking the other person, like their ex's profile. The Pew Research Center, which is a nonpartisan fact tank, they did a study about social media and relationships. They used 1,000 teens aged 13 to 17, and all future percentages come from this study. 44% felt emotionally closer to the person they're with. 59% feel more involved in the other person's life. They might not be side by side, but they're still thinking of the other. 9% have even solved a fight over the phone. In the heat of the moment, you might say something that you don't mean, but taking the time to type it out and reread it helps you take a step back. 69% of people say that just too much information is shared online. Some people post about fights or post they're just madly in love and nobody wants to read about it. 27% of people say that they felt jealous or insecure in their relationship due to those simple likes and comments that I mentioned previously. In conclusion, social media can bring people together or push them apart. Just use it how you would like, but be courteous to the person you're with and those around you. And these are my citations.